Alright guys, how's it going? So I would like to apologise. I've not made a video in the last few days, and truth be told, I've just been really busy with work. But hopefully this will kinda sweeten the deal a little bit. And it's a free character rig. Now this is made by a very good friend of mine called Oliver Simonnet. Now Oliver is a great artist, but he's an exceptional rigger. He generally rigs inside a different 3D application, and this is his very first Blender rig, so please go easy on us, but for being his very first rig, it's absolutely outstanding. Now, the best way we can test the rig is by giving it away for free, so I'll put Oliver's Gumroad link in the description down below. You're more than welcome to download it for free. If you want, you can throw a couple of quid his way, it's completely up to you. So we'll take a look at some of the basic functionality of the rig, we'll kind of play around with it, put it through its paces, and I'll give you a quick overview. Now when you first load up the Blender file, you may be asked to auto-execute a Python file, and the Python file is technically this rig layer UI, and it just lets us select things in the rig just a little bit quicker. Now if you have any problems, what you can do is you can actually come to scripting, you can load up the rig.ui.py and run the script. And when you come back into layout, you should have a property panel on the right hand side. And like it says, it just means we can select things like head tracking, we can enable and disable the torso, we can switch from FK to IK very easily. So we'll take a basic look at the rig. Oliver's made a 10-minute video, he's going to make another one and it'll explain a little bit more about the functionality of the rig and it'll give you a better idea. Now at the moment, I'm actually in pose mode, so when I select this cog up the top, you'll see that I now have rig properties. And this gives us even more control over the rig. So for example, we have a head track. So if I put the head track to 1, I select the head track here, watch what the head does. It follows the head track, pretty damn cool. If I select the cog, go back to rig properties, I can then disable it. And this gives us way more control over animating the rig. So just to give you another example of how much control you actually have, let's jump into the fingers, let's select here. Now I can easily move the fingers, but if I press S to scale, you'll notice that the fingers automatically bend. Now if I need even more control over the hands, if I come to the rig layers UI and hit hand tweak, I can actually individually select bones, and that gives us even more fidelity when it comes to the mesh. Now the big icon here is essentially your root, which means you can move. You also have the middle torso and everything set up for you, IK and FK switching, you can easily do things like this. If you come down to the heel of the object and select here, let's do a quick rotate. You'll notice everything works pretty damn cool. You can also select the feet, and this is excellent for doing walk cycles. Now this rig is really designed for practicing animation. Now you're more than welcome to use it in a commercial environment. If you make an animation, send us a tweet, we would love to see your work. Now I want you guys to play around with the rig. Any problems that you may see or anything that you might suggest would be better, please let us know and we'll probably revise the model over a certain period of time. Do me a favour guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel, it costs you absolutely nothing. Follow me on Twitter, you know what to do. Peace.